Good morning, guys. So I've been up since about 4 a.m. I was just laying in bed, just thinking about all the things that I currently have on my goal list. And one of those has been obviously in regards to my weight and just being healthier in general. So instead of laying in bed and sulking about it, I thought today is the day we gonna get up and we're going to do something about it. So I am taking you guys along with me on that journey. If you want to join me along on this journey, just drop me a DM and let's work through this together, okay? So I started off by having this pink grapefruit energy gel, and then I got through about 30 minutes of the workout. This was hard as hell. My body was already aching from Sunday and Monday when I did the prep for the funeral. After the workout, it was time to make my protein smoothie. I used frozen bananas, some frozen blueberries and frozen mango, vanilla, protein powder, and some almond milk. Smoothies work really great for me after a workout as opposed to an actual meal. This is the best way for me to avoid overeating. So if I start by eating heavy meals in the morning, normally that just continues through the day. Otherwise, it's been a great start to my morning. I feel refreshed and ready to tackle the day.